So this is a yarn bowl. We're using this stuff. My friend Dave gave me a bunch of stuff the other day, and this was in it. Some of it is pretty old, he said. This stuff definitely looks cool. So this is a yarn bowl for her. It's I don't know, I'm kind of getting some funkiness here. So trying to separate. I had the big parts fan off, and it did that. So I've been having a little bit of adhesion issues with the PLA on this, and I've been running the temperature up a little bit higher, 70 degrees, 207. I had it at 190. I think it looks better at 210. I'm getting like this crap with the infill that I don't like. And then that. They recommend on this stuff 210. $200 to $235. I'm almost wondering if maybe I should bump the temperature up a little bit. Maybe it'll smooth out a little bit. Now it's separating from the brim, and I'm wondering if that's from cooling off, too much heat, not enough heat, too much cooling fan. It was always like that in the front. I just don't want to do a 5-hour print and have this thing bust loose, and I'm stuck with a rainbow frisbee. I figured, I'll try some of this, put it in there. Better safe than sorry. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Anyway. Because if it comes loose, it'll suck.